Good morning. Welcome to COVID test Swab Collector application. In this video, I would like to take you through the Swab Collector login functionalities. A Swab Collector, he or she has to log in the system with the user ID and password which is shared with you. I'm going to log in with the Doderi PHC, which is in Madhugiri Taluk, Tumkur district, as a swab collector with the password what has been provided to you. Click login. Once you successfully log in, a dashboard opens up with the status and the counters showing number of samples collected, number of packages, asymptomatic, symptomatic patients count, along with other options. As a swab collector, he or she will have three main functions under this login. One, add patient. On the left side menu, you have got the add patient, where the data entry operator, swab collector, will enter the details about a patient or a person who has come for COVID test. The second one would be the update. This update function will help them in updating the collection status and updating the RAT results. The third would be create package list. All the samples collected in a day or twice a day or thrice a day, the swab collector can create packages and prepare it for sending it to lab. So apart from these three functionalities, the swab collector also will have some simple reports where he can see what are the activities he is doing under this particular login. Let me start with add patient menu. Click on the add patient. The system opens up with a form for adding the details about a particular person who has come for COVID testing. The data entry operator has to start with collecting the information about why the person has come for testing, whether he is a contact traced person, where a primary contact or a secondary contact, or he has traveled from abroad, or is he traveling from any other states, SARI, ILI, neonatal, testing at check post, random testing, students, sentinel surveillance, pregnant women, patients undergoing surgical or non-surgical procedures, patients with atypical manifestations, suspected COVID death on demand. So these are all the options available for the user to select what is the reason for testing. Let me take you through in this video with the on-demand testing. Once you select the reason for testing, you have to select the patient type. The person who has come for testing is the first time he is getting tested, or whether he is already tested, or he is a contact traced person who is a primary or a secondary contact of a C positive personalities. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a new patient under the new patient category. Select new, enter the patient name, enter his mobile number, check with the person whether this mobile number belongs to the person who is getting tested. If yes, select patient. If he has come with a family where the mobile number belongs to the family, select as a family. And click on get OTP. A system generated OTP will be sent to the user's mobile. Take the OTP. Please enter the proper OTP. I tried showing you that the system will validate what is the OTP being sent to the particular mobile number. So OTP is verified successfully. Once OTP is verified, based on the login, the user has logged in as urban PHC or a rural PHC, system will prompt you to select. If it's a rural PHC, it will select village. If it is urban, it will select the ward. So now I have logged in as a Dodderi as a rural PHC. I have to select a village to continue with the data entry. So when I am continuing with the data entry, the resident type is logged to local. The term local defined here as the person who belongs to the PHC area. The villages covered under the particular PHC. And the resident type, if it is the person is coming outside the PHC area, one has to select outsider, other districts people, or outside the state people. So this flow, I am going to take you through the local personality who has come for testing. Select the village. Here I am selecting Lakshmipura. The minute you select the village, the district, taluk, panchayat are auto-populated from the system. Enter the door number. Enter the street name. Enter the pin code and the landmark. Once you are done with the address entry, please locate the person's house. The system takes the device location. The lat long, what is being shown here is the PHC location. So you have to click on zoom in and zoom into the person's house where he'll be able to locate. Click that house location. The latitude and longitude is updated. Continue with the other details entry. Select whether the person is a male, female or other. Enter his age. Select year. If he has any comorbidity, select yes. If no, please say no here and continue with entering his ID proof, whether it's Aadhaar card or a ration ID card. Once you have entered the Aadhaar card number, set and select the patient status, whether it's a symptomatic or asymptomatic. If he is asymptomatic, please select symptomatic. If he is asymptomatic, select asymptomatic. If person has cold, cough, fever or other things, please select symptomatic. If he has no symptoms, please select asymptomatic. Select the test type, whether it's RAT or RT-PCR. So now I am going to select RT-PCR and ask the person whether he has got COVID vaccinated. If yes, select yes. No, select no. Once you have done with the data entry, please click on Scan VTM. take the barcoded VTM, scan it with the barcode scanner. The minute you scan with the barcode scanner, the barcode number will get displayed on the screen. Click Save and submit the record. The system successfully updates the person's details and pop up with the date of VTM issued, SRF ID, the patient name, who is Manjegowda, his age is 46, his male, test type is RT-PCR and specimen type is nasal throat. Click Close to close this window. Now system will prompt you to confirm whether you have another patient to add. Click OK to add, or click Cancel to go back to the dashboard. Now I'll be going back to the dashboard, and I'll start again one more flow for the already tested patients. Thank you.